What's up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So in today's video, I wanted to highlight the 5 must-knows before you start your Amazon FBA journey. I've now been selling on Amazon for over 3.5 years and I know exactly what it's like to be selling on Amazon. So in today's video, I wanted to share that with you. So you know exactly what you're getting yourself into when you start selling your very first product. There are so many myths and mistruths on the internet at the moment about Amazon FBA. On one spectrum, you get people telling you that you're way too late on Amazon FBA, you're never going to be able to make money because you just missed the train. And on the other spectrum, you're going to find people actually telling you that it's the easiest way to make money. You'll be able to work from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you the truth, exactly what it's like and what you should know before starting to sell on Amazon. With that being said, guys, if you are interested in selling on Amazon and you want to use some of the business tools that I use, please don't forget to check the links down below for Helium 10, the best product research tool out there, or Tide, the perfect business bank account to start off your Amazon FBA journey. That being said, guys, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing I want you guys to know is the fact that you are not too late to start selling on Amazon. There are so many videos I found on YouTube that are telling you that you are too late. You've missed the train. If you wanted to start selling on Amazon, you should have done it back in 2016 or 17, and now it's completely bogged down with Chinese sellers. Well, the truth of the matter of fact is, guys, that if you do have the necessary budget, okay, between £1,000 to £4,000 to start off your Amazon FBA journey, as well as if you have enough time and dedication necessary to make this business a success, then Amazon FBA business is the right business for you. It can still help you gain a passive income stream. It can still help you leave your 9-to-5 job so you can start working on Amazon full time. The second thing I want you all guys to know is the fact that you will have to take a much more active approach towards your Amazon FBA business than advertised. A lot of these videos will tell you that you can easily run your Amazon FBA business only if you have a laptop and an internet connection. Well, the truth of the fact is, guys, that Amazon has changed so much over the last couple of years. They have changed their competitive landscape, they have changed their processes, they have introduced storage limits and so on. And therefore, you're going to have to spend a lot more time with product research, with speaking to suppliers and finding the right prices in products, with storage and handling the storage effectively, and Amazon PPC as well. Amazon is much more competitive and difficult than it was back in 2016. However, guys, at the same time, there are far more customers on Amazon in 2021 than there was back in 2016 as well. So the competitiveness have gone up, but so has the demand for various Amazon FBA products. And with that being said, guys, if you're interested in selling on Amazon, prepare to get your hands dirty. You will no longer be able to run this business purely from your laptop alone. You're going to have to handle some boxes. You're going to have to think about storage and do various other things in relation to Amazon. The next thing I want you guys to know is the learning curve is going to be very steep, especially if you haven't been running an e-commerce business before or you don't have any business experience whatsoever. Amazon FBA business is going to be a lot for you to handle and a lot for you to learn. You're going to have to learn things such as product research, speaking to suppliers, negotiating the best possible price, how to manage money and what product to potentially buy, and how to scale up your business to 1, 5, 10 products. This is going to be a lot for you to learn and it's something that you should be prepared for from the very beginning. Next up, patience. The truth is, guys, you're not going to be driving a Lamborghini in the next 3 to 6 months if you're starting off on a relatively low budget. Matter of fact, I'm speaking from my own personal experience. I was only able to take some money out of the business after 2 years of selling on Amazon. And the reason why I did that was because I started on a relatively low budget, just like most of you, and I had to keep reinvesting majority of the profits, well, actually all of the profits, back into the business so I can introduce more and more products and therefore grow the business as fast as possible. If you want to see results straight away and you want to take money out of your business straight away, you will be limiting your business's growth, okay? And therefore, you guys have to be patient. If you really want to make a difference in your life, if you really want to leave a 9-to-5 and you want to scale the business to 5, 10, 15 products, then you're going to have to be patient and therefore work a lot without actually seeing any tangible results in the very beginning. And last but not least, guys, Amazon FBA, just like any other business, can be very stressful at times. because there are so many things that are completely outside of your control. Things such as shipping delays, something that you cannot control about. Things such as competition coming into your niche and potentially kicking you out or potentially pushing you to reduce your price. Or things such as manipulative competitors where they will try and kick off your listing by giving you a fake infringement claim or something like that. Amazon FBA, in order for you to be successful, you're going to have to keep your emotions at bay. You're going to have to make sure that even if the times are going well or times are going bad, you keep your emotions separate from the business. You need to have a clear head when it comes to making each and every single business decision in order for you to run your Amazon FBA business in the long term successfully. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and please don't forget to check the links down below for my brand new FBA Mentor Academy course. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.